Plug Zumo into your vehicle. It works in a car as well as on a motorcycle. Compatible with Zumo 395LM, 590LM and 595LM. Includes vehicle power cable. Garmin Zumo motorcycle GPS navigators offer exciting features for your riding adventures. We recommend using Garmin Genuine replacement parts and accessories. Top reviews from the United States. Add-on which should have cam with 590LM. Unreal how cheap this company had gotten. Yes, you Garmin. Here we go again, this should have came with my product, bleeding me dry. Better to just stay away from Garmin unless you're rich. 5 stars. You can't beat genuine Garmin parts.